Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 4th standard ICSE. Today we are going to start a new unit, Unit 6, Fraction. Let us go to the unit now. Page number 87, we have a fraction warm-up section. First one, write the fraction for the colored part. Already we know and we read about the fractions in 3rd standard, 2nd standard itself. So let us recall the warm-up section and we'll go to the exercise 1. First one is a tree was shaded with the 1 by 2. And next one is in yellow color circle was divided into 3 parts and 2 was colored. So 2 by 3. The numerator was colored one, the denominator is total number of divisions. And the next one is a green color was colored with 3 parts and it has a 4. So 3 by 4. So similarly remaining things also you can do. In the B section, a representation of a fraction we are going to do with the colored one. Okay, they given that 1 by 4. So the 4 parts are there, in that only 1 we have to color. And 3 by 8, totally 8 is there, in that 3 we have to color. So similarly we can do it. And the C section is fill 1 by 3 of 12. So totally 12 is there, in that 3 we have to choose, from that 1 we need to color. And 3 we have to choose, from that 1 we have to color. So totally we have 4 was colored. Now the exercise 6.1 in book page number 89, we can do it in the book itself, children. So they given one tabular column like first one is triangle was divided into the 3 parts, in that one was colored. So they are asking equal number of parts is 3 and the colored one is 1 by 3. The fraction for unshaded part is 2 by 3. So second one, a circle was cut into 4 parts, from that so first equal parts is 4 and 2 parts was colored and 2 parts was uncolored. Then one square is there, that also was cut into 4 parts and that one was colored. So 1 by 4, uncolored, that is shaded, unshaded one is 3 by 4. Similarly you can complete the remaining. Section B in page number 90 we have how many make a whole. So 1 by 2. So we divided into 2 parts, means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 only we can get a whole. So 2 is the answer. You just take it as a clue, children. How many parts we cutted, that many parts we need to add. That is 1 by 4 means denominator 4 is there, 4 parts we need to add. So 1 by 3 means 3 we cutted, so 3 parts we need to add. So we can complete this one. Next one is the C part. Match the following 4 by 10. That is 4 out of 10 equal parts. We will call it as a 4/10. 1 by 4 means 1 out of 4 equal part. That is 1/4. 2 by 3 means 2 out of 3 equal parts. That is 2/3. Similarly, you can complete the remaining things. Next one in checkpoint page number 91. Divide the rectangle into equal parts and color the shaded portion. They given 1 by 3 means the square we need to cut it into 3 parts and 1 part we need to color. And second one is 3 by 4. We need to cut it into 4 parts and we need to color only 3. Next one is 7 by 10. We need to cut it into 10 parts. From that 7 we need to color. And the last one is 5 by 8 part. We need to cut it into 8 parts. From that 5 we need to color. Next checkpoint in page number 92. First one is a solve. 1 by 2 of 4. That is 1 by 2 of is nothing but a multiplication. We can cancel the numerator and the denominator with the same table. 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So 2 will be the answer. Numerator we have 1 into 2, 2. Denominator only 1 is there. So 2 is the answer. Next 1 by 3 of 6. So multiply by 6 means 3 we can cancel with the 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. In numerator we have 1 into 2. So 2 is the answer. Next one is 1 by 4 of 28. So 4 sevens are 28. 7 we have we can cancel. 28 by 7. Then 1 into 7 is 7. And next one is 1 by 8 of 40. 40 and 8 we can cancel with the 8 5s are 40. 5 is the answer. So similarly you can complete the remaining. Next exercise 6.2 in page number 93. We can do the sums. Of means nothing but the multiplication, as I said before. 1 by 3 multiply by 18. So we can cancel the numerator and the denominator with the same table, that is 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 6 threes are 18. The numerator is 1 into 6. 6 is the answer. Second sum 2 by 3 multiply by 18. In that 3 and 18 we can cancel with the 3 table. 6 times then you multiply the numerator. 2 6 are 12. Denominator we have only 1. So the answer is 12. Remaining sums also you can do it. Next one is B section. 1 dozen is equal to 12. Now we can calculate 1 by 2 of a dozen. 1 by 2 multiply by 12. 2 and 12 we can cancel by a 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. The numerator is 1 into 6, denominator is 1. So the answer is 6. 1 by 3 of a dozen. 1 by 3 multiply by 12. 3 and 12 we can cancel. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. Numerator is 1 into 4, 4. Denominator is 3 into 1, 1. So the answer is 4. Similarly, you can complete the remaining sums. Next, C Roman letter. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then calculate 1 by 2 of an hour. An hour is nothing but 60 minutes. So 1 by 2 multiply by 60. 1 and 60 in the numerator. 2 is the denominator. 2 and 60 we can cancel. 1 2s are 2. And in that 30 2s are 60. So 30 minutes. Half an hour is nothing but 30 minutes. Next one is a word problem. 1 by 3 of a 12 bicycles were red. How many bicycles are red? That is a question. So number of bicycles are red is equal to 1 by 3 of 12. Half is nothing but a multiplication. In numerator we have 1 and 12. Denominator is 3. And 3 and 12 we can cancel. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So from that 12 bicycle we have 4 are red in color. Second sum 3 by 4 of a 28 flowers were roses. How many roses are there? So number of roses we can find it out by 3 by 4 of 28. Half is nothing but multiplication. Numerator we have 3 and 28. Denominator we have 4. So 4 and 28 we can cancel. 1 4s are 4, 7 4s are 28. Numerator we can multiply 3 and 7. 3 7s are 21. Denominator we have 1. So totally 21 roses are there out of 28 flowers. Third sum on Tuesday. John baked 36 cakes. Half of the cakes were sold. How many cakes were not sold? So number of cakes were sold is equal to 1 by 2 of 36. Half is nothing but multiplication. In numerator we have 1 and 36. Denominator we have 2. 2 and 36 we can cancel by 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 18 2s are 36. So totally 18 cakes were sold. The fourth one is the class used 3 by 5 of 70 sheets in a pact of for craft work. How many sheets were used? That's a question. Number of sheets used is equal to 3 by 5 of 70. Numerator we have 3 and 70. Denominator we have 5. So we can cancel 5 and 70. In 5, 1 5s are 5. In 70, 14 5s are 70. We have a numerator 3 and 14. 3 multiply by 14, 42. In denominator we have only 1. So the answer is 42 sheets. That's it children. We completed the class. Thank you.